Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement United Concordia dental card guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement United Concordia dental card, start by visiting the official United Concordia website. Locate the Member Services section on the homepage. Click on the Request a Replacement Card link. You may need to log in to your member account. If you do not have an account, find the option to register. Follow the prompts to create a new account using your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the section for replacing cards. Provide the required details, including your member ID and personal information. Double-check the information for accuracy before submitting your request. After submitting, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. You should also receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you encounter any issues, call United Concordia's customer service for assistance. Keep the customer service number handy for any follow-up inquiries. Your replacement card will be mailed to your registered address within a few weeks. Check your mailbox regularly for the new card. Once received, verify that all information is correct on the card. If there are any discrepancies, contact customer service for further assistance. You are now ready to use your new dental card for services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.